Okay, so I thought I'd do a little video of the opening. It is a couple of seconds before the opening bell now. Just watching decay. Looking for about a $200 pop. Be a bit less, I think, if the stock moves up. Oh, my crappy broker. Just watching volatility levels. It should have opened up about $100 less. My broker is showing their dishonest prices. I'm really needing Tesla to drop below the 255, to stay below the 255, and between 250. So ideally I need it down around here to be right in the middle, 252.50. There we go, 120. That's a bit more honest pricing there. Position theta, $450 a day if it stays where it is. $500. If it can come down to 252.50, like I said, that is optimum, and the theta decay should be quite nice there. Probably still running a bit of opening volatility, but just not needing the futures to pop up anywhere. The Russell futures are down just 0.25%. S&P is around the break even, is pretty much positive or negative, doesn't know where it's going yet. Nasdaq is slightly positive. See, back, there should be about a $200, 280 loss or something. 310, that'd be about right for them, ripping me off. Because you can see how much it's swinging around at the moment with the morning volatility. As it decides whether we're going positive or negative. I probably should be looking to cut off the call side. If we're looking like we're going to head up. This trade expires tomorrow, so if we can spend the day inside this range, which would be a miracle. Tesla's been moving around a bit lately. It would be nice, but yeah, this has been a horrible trade. I actually got filled on the call position by accident. I was sleeping, I had the order on from a previous day, didn't check my orders before market, and got filled at an absolute rubbish price on a call spread before market open, as the market opened. And since then I've had 3 days or 2 days where it went up massively. Third day, which was here, it opened up and sank, and as you can see at this point I then sold some at the money puts pretty much. As you can see, we're swinging around in price quite violently. So yeah, At the moment I'm all about defense. But yeah, if we're going to go positive today, then yeah, like I said, I really need to cancel the calls and let the puts run. But there is only 2 days left. That's why the theta is so much. So if we can hang in between the 55 and the 50 range today, by tomorrow there should be quite large theta decay. Yeah. So it's just whether I can ride out a positive day. Up here at these levels I was about $1,000 negative, which is a bit ugly to take. If it rallies back up to say 57, I'll be looking at about 500 loss, maybe. Yeah, somewhere around 500. It would be real nice to have VIX run positive today and the market have a bit of a down day. As you can see here, I've got the call spread at $1.42, the put spread at 56. I got filled on this at an absolute rubbish 45 cents, so I'm out about $1, and I got filled at $1 on this yesterday. As you can see here, $1 for the put, so very, very knife edge at the moment, sitting on the fence. It's basically just a nerves of steel trade at the moment, as to whether I, close it out now and just take the loss, or whether I can ride the lightning and maybe see this pull into a profitable trade. I think if it finished today positive, I would imagine I would close it out with no doubts at all. If I did see it pop to break even. But anyway, this is my current rubbish trade on Tesla. The one that I stupidly got filled on in the calls and then sold the puts for defense yesterday. It's just a knife edge now to whether it's going to bite me in the ass. Expiring in 24 hours, 48 hours, 2 more days, today and tomorrow. Today is Thursday. Yes, Thursday. Thursday 26th in America. So yeah, hopefully it's going to consolidate somewhere around here. Today would be really good. It would be very unusual to have a quiet day after its current moves. So anyway, this is Tesla. That was the opening. I was hoping to see about a $200 decay and a even drop, but as you can see with the price swings, it's quite violent. Plus my brokerage is showing worse prices than they actually are, more extreme than they are. So anyway, we'll pause this now and might come back a bit later on or tomorrow. This is Tesla, Jan 4 expiration.